Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of XRP for the month of April? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. With the basics out of the way, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we're doing a guessing game again, and this time it is XRP. We are guessing the price of XRP for April 2026. Right now XRP is sitting at around $1.32. Look back at XRP's historical performance in April since it first launched. Has April usually been a positive or negative month for XRP? Give me 3 guesses for April 2026. A bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Alright, we officially have our answer, and we might be in for a pretty big month for XRP since historically it seems like April is XRP's best month. Normally good movement, but let's take a look at the official answers. The bullish guess, $1.46, range $1.43 to $1.49. The bearish guess, $1.24, range $1.21 to $1.27. The official guess, this is the guess that matters. This is the one that we're going to judge everything based off of. $1.35 is the official guess, range $1.32 to $1.38. Not going to lie, I'm a little surprised with the guesses, especially since ChatGPT says this is historically XRP's strongest month. I would have thought the official guess would have at least been around like where the bullish guess is sitting, but let me know in the comment section below where you guys think we're going to end up, around the range of the official guess, the bearish guess, or the bullish guess, or do you think we're going to be somewhere else like under $1 or above $10 by the end of the month? Let me know in the comment section below. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.
Futures here, no turning back. Digital coins in a virtual pack. Decentralized, we'll take the ride. No more chains, we're wild inside. Bitcoin rising, walls are